Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to get started with StarryAI, an AI art generator app. So, let us begin. To begin your creative journey, open your browser and type in starryai.com. Click on the Start Creating button to kick things off. Now, it's time to sign in. You have the option to use either your Google account or Apple ID. Choose the one that's most convenient for you. I'm opting for my Google account, so I will simply click on it. And there you have it. You are now ready to dive into the world of StarryAI and start creating AI-generated art. It's as simple as that. With StarryAI, your artistic possibilities are endless. Enjoy the process of bringing your imagination to life. That's a wrap on this quick guide. Get ready to unleash your creativity with StarryAI. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.